Hey, have you ever been to a party and just stood there, like holding your drink, looking at your phone, pretending you're busy?
Oh my God, yes, so many times. You look around, everyone's talking and laughing, and you're just alone in the corner.
Right? And in your mind, you're like, I should talk to someone, I should say something, but then nothing comes out.
Exactly. Your heart starts beating fast, your hands get sweaty, and you just freeze.
Well, today, we're going to fix that problem together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
We're from Speak It Well English, and we're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Sarah, and this is my friend.
I'm Alex, and today we're talking about something really important.
Yeah, something many people feel scared about.
How to talk to strangers at a club or party. How to break the ice.
Break the ice. You know what that means.
It means to start a conversation, to make that first move, to say the first words.
Exactly. Like breaking ice with a hammer. You break the silence.
Mm-hmm. And trust me, it's not as hard as you think.
So, Alex, tell me honestly, have you ever felt nervous talking to a stranger at a party?
Oh, absolutely. I remember one time I went to my friend's birthday party. I didn't know anyone there except my friend.
Okay, so what happened?
Well, my friend was busy talking to other people, and I was just standing there near the snack table, eating chips.
The classic move. Pretend you're really interested in the chips.
Exactly. I was like, wow, these chips are amazing. But actually, I was so nervous inside.
So, did you talk to anyone?
Not at first. I waited for like 30 minutes. Then finally, someone came to get some chips. And I said, hey, these chips are good, right?
And?
And we started talking. It was so easy after that first sentence. We talked for like 20 minutes.
See, that's the thing. The first sentence is the hardest part.
Yeah, after you say something, anything, it gets easier.
So let me ask you, our listeners, have you ever felt like Alex, standing alone at a party, wanting to talk but feeling too nervous?
If yes, this episode is for you. Stay with us.
All right, so let's talk about how to actually do this, how to start a conversation with a stranger.
Yeah, let's break it down into simple steps.
First step, change your mindset.
What do you mean?
I mean, most people think, I'm bothering them. They don't want to talk to me.
Oh yeah, I used to think like that.
But here's the truth. Most people at parties also want to talk, that are also looking for someone friendly.
Really?
Yes! Think about it. Why do people go to parties? To have fun, to meet people, to talk?
That's true. No one goes to a party to stand alone.
Exactly. So when you talk to someone, you're actually helping them. You're making their night better.
I never thought about it like that.
It's like, imagine you're at a gym and you see someone struggling with a machine. If you help them, are you bothering them?
No, you're being helpful.
Same thing at a party. You're not bothering anyone. You're being friendly.
Okay, I love that. So step one is believe that people want to talk.
Yes, change your mindset first.
All right, what's step two?
Step two, use your surroundings.
Use your surroundings. What does that mean?
It means look around you. What do you see? What's happening?
Okay.
For example, if there's music playing, you can say, I love this song. Do you know the name?
Oh, that's easy.
Or if there's food, you can say, have you tried the pizza? It's really good.
Yeah, food is always a safe topic.
Exactly. Or you can comment on the party itself, like, this place is beautiful, right? Or, do you know the host?
Mm-hmm. So you're using what's around you to start the conversation.
Yes, you don't need to think of something clever or funny. Just talk about what you see.
That makes it so much easier.
Right? It's like the environment gives you the words. You just have to say them.
I wish I knew this years ago.
Okay, step three is really important.
What is it?
Step three, smile and use open body language.
Body language.
Yeah, how you stand, how you look, how you move your body.
Oh, like if you're looking at your phone, people won't talk to you.
Exactly. If you're looking down or crossing your arms, you look closed. You look like you don't want to talk.
That's true.
But if you're standing up straight, looking around, smiling a little, you look friendly, you look open.
So people feel more comfortable approaching you.
Yes, and when you approach someone, make eye contact and smile.
Even if you're nervous inside?
Especially if you're nervous inside. Smiling actually makes you feel less nervous.
Really?
Yeah, it's science. When you smile, your brain thinks you're happy and you start to relax.
Wow, that's cool.
So smile first, then talk. It's like opening a door before you walk in.
All right, what about step 4?
Step 4 is ask open questions.
Open questions?
Yeah, questions that can't be answered with just yes or no.
Oh, like, how do you know the host instead of do you know the host?
Exactly. You're so smart.
Huh, thank you.
So instead of do you like this party, you say what do you think of this party?
I see. That gives the other person more to say.
Yes, it opens the conversation. It keeps it going.
What are some other examples?
What brought you here tonight? Or how's your evening going? Or what do you usually do for fun?
Those are really natural.
Yeah, and people love talking about themselves. So when you ask these questions, they feel good.
It's like giving them a gift.
Exactly, a conversation gift.
Okay, so we've talked about mindset, using surroundings, body language, and asking questions. What's step 5?
Step 5, don't worry about being perfect.
What do you mean?
I mean, many people don't talk because they think, what if I say something stupid? What if they don't like me?
Oh yeah, I felt that so many times.
But here's the thing, nobody's perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone says awkward things sometimes.
That's true.
And you know what? Most people don't even remember. They forget about it in 5 minutes.
Really?
Yes. Think about it. Can you remember every awkward thing someone said to you at a party?
No, not really.
Exactly. People are thinking about themselves, not judging you.
So I shouldn't worry so much.
Not at all. Just be yourself. Be real. Be human.
I love that.
And if the conversation doesn't go well, that's okay. Just move on. Talk to someone else.
Not everyone will connect, and that's normal.
Exactly. It's like trying different flavors of ice cream. Some you like, some you don't, but you keep trying.
That's a great way to think about it.
All right, let me give you one bonus tip.
Ooh, I love bonus tips.
If you're really, really nervous, bring a friend.
A wingman.
Yes, a wingman or wingwoman, someone who can help you feel more confident.
And you can approach people together.
Exactly. It's less scary when you're not alone.
That makes sense.
But don't just stick with your friend the whole night. Use them as support, then try talking to new people.
Right. The goal is still to meet new people.
Yes, exactly. All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your support really motivates us to create more helpful content for you.
And remember, speaking English is a journey. Every conversation makes you better.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to try.
You are braver than you think.
And more capable than you know.
So go out there, break the ice, and make some new friends.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.